So, yung suot ko po is size small to medium. Ayan, for your reference po. Yung height ko is 5'1". My bust line is 33 and then waistline is 27. As you can see, stretchable po sa akin. Yung size is small to medium. Ito po yung ating small to medium. Ayan, ito po yung small to medium natin. And I am also wearing po small to medium. Ayan. If same po tayo ng body frame, you can check out na po niyan. For our pink shade naman, so we have cashmere rose, ayan, sobrang madam ng color na yan. And then we also have nude pink and dusty pink. Ayan, sobrang gaganda ng mga pink shades natin. Ayan, sobrang classy and sobrang basic tingnan. For our next colors, our neutral colors, or yung mga brown shades natin. So we have here cappuccino, frappuccino, and then soft beige. Cappuccino, frappuccino, and then soft beige natin. Ayan, sobrang gaganda. Ayan, as you can see, sobrang soft and smooth ng tela natin. And then, ayan, sobrang stretchable pa. And then, pastel yellow. White and pastel yellow natin. Ayan, ayan. Forest green and winter moss for our green shades po. Ayan. So, for the size difference, 1 inch, 1 inch. So, 1 inch sa sleeves, 1 inch sa width, and then 1 inch po sa length.